Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again with another haul. I'm gonna have a couple of these in a row over the next couple days. Well, as long as the orders keep coming in. I've got some orders from Temu that I wanted to share with you guys. I know that you, some of you are subscribers and you may have watched a lot of my videos, and recently I have been playing around with resin. Not necessarily just resin molds, and I'm playing around with some gift ideas. And these are some of the molds that just came in, and they are clay, I believe, excuse me, not clay, but candle holders. Sorry for all the noise. And I am excited about trying some of these because I want to do baskets. So few of the items are resin molds, and a couple of them are some other kind of beads, but let me show you the molds first, and then I'll move to the next. There's another haul that came in as well, but I'm gonna probably hold off because I'm waiting on some stuff and I want to show them all at the same time. So look at this beauty. What I love about this is, number one, you guys know I use resin, UV resin, and if I can't see through this, the light won't get through. So that is a plus for me. Most of the UV resin molds that I am looking for, the silicone molds, are going to have to be this same exact kind, see-through. Look at this. I can't wait. This is a coaster, I believe, but you can even make it wall art. This is indented, so you could put some mica powder on there. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. Make a nice gold earring. Ridiculous. Can't wait, can't wait. This one is going to be, I think it's called a lily, I'm not sure. Whatever it is, it's a flower, and this is a candle holder. So I'm going to use that to make a mold. I can't wait to see what that looks like. And this is a tea light holder. So it'll go inside there. Actually, my bad, it'll go inside there and make this same type of impression. So really I should be filling them up this way. And this one I love because it's also a tea light or a candle holder, or it could be a trinket tray. So I'll be filling them up this way. And I'm excited because I am going to be using UV resin for these. So it will take a little bit longer than a regular earring or whatever I, do for jewelry, but more to come on these. I'm excited about them, so I'll put those to the side. This is actually a Temu haul, if I haven't said it already. And I found these. I think they're acrylic, or they're made of resin, and they're leaves of some sort. And I thought they were so cute. They have a little hole so you can make them into earrings. And let me see, I bought 2 packs of those, and I think they were just too freaking cute. Absolutely gorgeous. They got a little gold on the edges. So I got 2 of those, and they came in a pack like that. So that's those. They look like shells or leaves. I'm not sure. But those. I wanted some more crosses, so I found a ton. This is a ton of these. And then I found these. I'm not gonna open these up, but they're just block crosses. The block shape. Let's see them in there. And then these I thought were really stinking cute. They look like a star, like the North Star. So I'm gonna use those for some Christmas ornaments. And I saw these little beads that were just ridiculous. I thought these were so cute. I don't know how I'm gonna use them, but they are playing cards, deck of cards. You got the ace of spade. As a matter of fact, they're all aces. I don't know why I was thinking they were more than that. Yeah, all aces. Okay. And the bead is in the side. So that's a cute thing. I don't know how I'm gonna use it, but I thought it was different. And there was that. Let me see. I need to put this back in here. What else do I have? Oh, I got 3 of these. Or 4. How many? I got 3 of these. Okay. It must have been like 40 cents or something. And I saw these beads and I thought they were bigger. I'm really disappointed because I really wanted them to be bigger. These are freaking gorgeous, but they're just so tiny. And this is all that came in the pack. I think it's like 50, but they are beautiful. Let me see if I can you see that? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. These are great for little dangles. I'm starting to play around with making my own ear wires, so you may see these coming in a whole new light. But I really thought they were bigger. And let me see if I can measure these, because I don't know, I might have to get more. I'm not really wanting them to be so tiny. But let's see. I think they're probably about 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter tall. Oh, let's see. .7 millimeters long, and then let's see if I can get this to grip it. It's not wanting to grip. 3.3 millimeter, 0.2 millimeter wide. All right, well, they are what they are. I'm not disappointed 100%, but I really would have been happier if they were larger. They are beautiful beads though. And the last two, these are those bead caps. I know I have a ton of these somewhere. I couldn't find them, so here I go with more. But these right here, I know you've seen them before. You may even use them, and I'm gonna start using them more. So those, if you can see them, I like them. I just haven't been using them much, but I think I might start using them more. And then this last thing that I got, I saw these beads and they were just different. And I know we got a bunch of sports fans out there. So I see basketball, I see baseball, I see tennis, basketball, football, tennis, baseball. And I have some other sports sublimation helmets that I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to show you. I have had them for a while and I just forgot to show you. And that's it for the Temu haul, guys. And I'm really hoping, let me see if I can just do it this way. I'm really hoping to create something really nice really soon with a lot of this. Some of them I did specifically get for a later date. So there's that. And here's the silicone molds that I am just excited about using. I cannot wait to use these. And then here's what I got. So yeah, that's it, guys. Just wanted to share my Temu haul with you, and more to come. I got another 2 orders coming specifically for some resin molds, and then I think I'm gonna start a series of resin molds ideas for gifts. If you are interested in anything like that, just hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you think. And if there's something that you'd like to see, I'd love to hear it from you. All right, guys, go be amazing. Bye.